My friends, for our writing center today, you should have two papers. One should say, at night I can, and then there's a line. Now, the other one should say, during the day I can. Now look at mine. If I accidentally put two of the same in your bag, I'm so sorry. Watch what you can do. Instead of it saying at night, it can say, you can put during the day. I'm so sorry if I gave you a double. During the day. I'm hoping I only made this mistake in my bag, but if I did it in your bag too, you can cross it out. All right, then you're going to write. So it says, at night I can. Think of something that you do at night. So I would think in my brain, at night I can make dinner. At night I can read my daughter a book. At night I can go to bed. Then I want you to think of during the day I can. Some things I do during the day, I usually drink a cup of coffee during the day. I come and teach you during the day. So I would put during the day I can go to school. During the day I can teach. During the day I can drink coffee. All right, my friends, I want you to think of something that you do at night and something you do during the day, and you're going to write it on the line. Mrs. Mullins and I will see you back here soon for writing time.